Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing my Birchbox box and hopefully having a good roast of it. And I am trying to open the box right now. And this is my August 2021 box. And if you don't know, it is a monthly box and it costs $15. So it's more expensive than Boxer. No, not Boxer. It's more expensive than Ipsy. And you still get the same amount of products. And I think you get better products with Ipsy. So, alright, they actually sent a box this month, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so hi, if you are new here, my name is Jennifer, and we do unboxings and all kinds of beauty-related material on my channel. But I also do topics regarding agoraphobia. If you're interested in either of those topics, or both of those topics, then I highly recommend that you hit the subscription button down below and hit that notification button and set it to all, because I am here for you almost 7 days a week. Sometimes just 6, sometimes just 5. But if you're interested in me probably roasting my Birchbox because they have not made me happy lately, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, you're probably asking yourself, Jennifer, if you don't like it, why are you still getting it? Well, because silly me got into a contract with them for a 6-month obligation, and that obligation is still going on, and so I can't cancel it until those 6 months are up. So I just thought it would make still make some interesting content. They used to send really good stuff, like lip balms and hand creams and face moisturizers and pretty boxes like this. But then they started sending hair shampoos and conditioners, which I don't need those. I have a hair conditioner and shampoo that I like just fine. They started sending me netted bags, which I don't like netted bags. I want the box. I don't want netted bags. And plastic bags sometimes they would send. And sometimes they would send me BB creams in the wrong color for my skin tone. And things such as that. Things that I didn't want. So, and they have just been getting progressively worse. So, I don't know what is in this box, but let's find out together. At least they sent a pretty box this time. Again, I will put the link down below in case you are interested in checking them out. They are focused on sustainability and recyclability. Is that a word? I don't know. And also, if you are into makeup, we are having a giveaway. I will link that below as well. And you can go to that link and it will take you to our giveaway page and tell you all about how to enter that. So I just thought I'd throw that in real quickly. So, soaking up every last bit of sunshine, us too. Save your skin and hair from all that damage with these reparative miracle workers. Pop on a treatment and use the downtime to indulge in the magical power of nothing. You in? Okay, and this tells me what I got. I was able to make a choice this time around. And I think I chose this, which is the Aceology Brightening Treatment Mask. This peel-off mask recharges skin from the surface for instant brightening glow. Apply to a clean face and leave on for 30 minutes before gently removing in one single piece. I think Aceology is a good company. The full size of this is $69. Well, they think a lot of themselves. Okay, so I'm not offended by that. I actually got to pick that out. What's next? Art Naturals. Skincare. Vitamin C 3-in-1 facial treatment. Full size. This is a full size. It's $3.99. Cleanse, tone, and refine your skin with this treatment. Brown sugar gently exfoliates while witch hazel, I hate witch hazel, removes pore clogging oils. I've got dry skin. I can't use witch hazel on my skin. Massage onto damp skin, rinse and pat dry. So you've got the brown sugar face scrub right here. You've got the witch hazel toner right here. And you've got the vitamin C face mask right here. Why would they have a witch hazel face toner? Is beyond me, because some of their clients have dry skin. Witch hazel and dry skin, which I am sure I put in my profile, do not go together. Okay, there's that. Glow recipe. Okay, there's a brand. There is a popular brand. Watermelon Glow Pink Dream Body Cream. Full size, $28. This body cream, smooth skin, smooth skin, okay, while hydrating you from head to toe. The creamy texture leaves skin glowing, and the watermelon scent is a huge bonus. Okay, I'm not offended by this. I'm gonna see if it actually smells like watermelon. Yeah, it's got that chemically watermelon scent to it. Oh yeah. You can't miss that. I am not offended by this. Okay. That's nice. I'll put it with my other creams and stuff that I keep by my bedside. Okay, minus 417, Intense Volumizing Mud Shampoo. Now this is what I don't like about them, is they always send me a shampoo sample. And I don't like shampoo samples. Maybe you do. I don't. The Nourishing Shampoo, and it's a mud shampoo. I need weightless shampoos on my hair because I have thinning hair. Very thin hair. This is a wig that I'm wearing, by the way. Underneath it is very thin hair. I don't think a mud mask, a mud shampoo is going to work well with very thinning hair. So I don't know if I'm going to end up using this. This nourishing shampoo volumizes hair while drying out scalp impurities. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work for me. Hair and scalp are hydrated, nourished, and replenished. Apply on damp or wet hair and rinse thoroughly. So I am probably not going to use that. I'm sorry if I'm being very negative, but you saw that I was going to be roasting this. So you're getting what you paid for. Okay, last thing. PCA Skin. Weightless protection, broad spectrum, SPF 45, full size $44. Protect from UV rays with this lightweight, fast absorbing SPF formulated with caffeine to prevent free radical damage. Apply 20 minutes prior to sun exposure. Okay, I am not offended by this product, except that they sent me some SPF last time. So I would kind of like to be sent different products instead of being sent SPF all the freaking time. So it would be nice. They sent me shampoo last time too. So it would be nice to be sent different products every month. So that is my August 2021 Birchbox. And once again, although there are a couple of products in there, the Aceology and the Glow Recipe, that I like, that means I give it a 2 out of 5 stars. And yeah, that is how I feel about it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It only takes a second and it would really help my channel out. I don't usually feel this way about all my boxes, just my Birchbox, because I am locked into it for at least another couple of months. And leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. Do you get this box? Do you like it? I just don't. So I think it's overpriced, and I knew that going into it. I just thought it'd be nice to get some different products than you get from Ipsy occasionally. When I first got this box a long time ago, it was only $10. And then when I came back, it was $15. So my advice to you would be to stick with Ipsy Glam Bag, which is only $12 a month. So yeah, that is my video today, and I hope you are having a great, fantastic, fantabulous day today. And if you are not, then I hope something comes along and cheers you up and makes your day better. I hope this didn't make your day worse by watching it. And if you are having an especially hard time, then I am sending you the good vibes to get better. And just remember to stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe. And yeah, it will get better. And I will hopefully see y'all in my next video. Okay, stay well until then. Alright, goodbye.